Hello guys, welcome to Dakshin's Fun World. Today we're going to read I Am Earth, an Earth Day book for kids. Come on, let's start. I am Earth. You live on me. On the inside, I am very hot. On the outside, I am the perfect temperature for life. I travel around the sun and keep you warm. As I spin, day turns to night and night turns to day. When it tilts away from the sun, it becomes fall and winter. When I tilt toward the sun, it becomes spring and summer. The sun is so big, it holds me and 7 other planets in space with its gravity. Together with moons, comets, asteroids and other space objects, we make a solar system. Just like the sun, I have gravity. My gravity keeps the moon circling around me and holds you to the ground. Gravity keeps the air you breathe and the water you drink from drifting away into space. Without gravity, things would just float away. When you see me from space, I look blue, green, brown and white. The blue is the water that covers me. The green and brown are the land which you live on. And the white is from the clouds and snow. Clouds drop water on the land below, and when it gets cold, the clouds drop snow, dusting everything white. Rain and snow fill up lakes and rivers, giving all living things water to drink. Even the food you eat is grown in my rich brown soil. I am very unique, just like you. I have all the right things to keep you healthy and safe, like clean air, water and food. I'm not too hot, I'm not too cold. I like to hold you close so you won't float away. But you have to help me by keeping me healthy and clean. Because if I get sick, the air gets sick, and the water gets sick, and the ground gets sick, and that's not good for anyone. Right now, I am the only planet you can live on. If we work together, we can keep me the best place to live. Here are some things you can do to make the earth the best as it can be. Recycle, don't litter, reuse, save energy, don't waste water. Can you think of another way to keep the earth healthy and clean? I think we can plant more trees. Bye. Thank you for watching.